Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 20th of May with me, Richard Pro, market analyst at Tech Markets. I'm going to look at euro dollar now, and this euro chart has been smashed in the last couple of days really. The comments from Benoit Coeure from the ECB yesterday really have impacted this, and the outlook of this rally that we've seen since mid-April is now rolling over. You've seen a breakdown below the 1130 support yesterday, and that's continued today, currently below it by 20 pips, and I would say a close below that 1130 support would confirm the breakdown of this rally, because that is your first really important key reaction low within this rally. Look at these moving averages, look at these momentum indicators falling away. RSI back at a 3-week low, MACD lines crossing over bearishly, and also the stochastics giving a confirmed sell signal, falling quite sharply now. So it certainly seems to be under pressure, and I think if we get that confirmed close below 1130, then I think that would just suggest that we are seeing a continuation of this move lower. Interestingly enough though, look at this on the intraday chart. If it comes up, please come up. Thank you. 1065, this massive low here that we saw back on the 5th of May, we've hit that to within a couple of pips, actually 1061, and bounced. Now I'm not saying that is a low, because I think that the momentum that we've built up over the last few days is very strong to the downside, and we're back below these this lower 1130. So I think that that is just a near-term condition. I think that we're going to see a little bit of an unwinding perhaps today, back towards that sort of 11, maybe 1150 area. But I think that ultimately it's going to come down lower again, because it would seem that yesterday's move was a big move against the euro. I think that the jawboning of the ECB yesterday has had a significant impact, changing the outlook on this chart, and certainly this support I think will come under further pressure at 1065, and ultimately if you break it, then you're sort of looking back lower again at the old pivot levels again. You'd be talking about sort of 109 again, 108. So they are big levels now. That immediately underneath, you'd say 110.35 as a sort of old reaction high, but then underneath that you're sort of looking at the old pivot levels. So it could well be that we're going to see, as I said, further pressure to the downside in due course, once this sort of minor unwinding rally has sort of played out. And even then, just in the last few minutes, perhaps it's even now lost a bit of that impetus. You're still back below that 21-hour moving average, which is interesting that sort of flanked the sell-off in the last few days. Again, that's sort of providing the basis of resistance. That's at around 1130 now. So that is, I think, potentially just showing that this sell-off is just still intact, still in process. You've had a slight sort of element of unwinding of this oversold momentum, but I think you're going to see continued weakness. Look at the stochastics remain very weak still. RSI very weak on the hourly chart as well. So I think rallies are probably now seen as a chance to sell on the euro, because I think this has changed the outlook, and we're going to see further pressure on that 1065 level in due course. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on euro, and I will speak to you again later. Thank you.